Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to your PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing first, you have to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to type in www.paypal.com. And once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see login and sign up. So from there, you need to tap on login and then login into your account, entering your email address and the password associated to your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the summary or the home page, and you can see that this is what the interface is going to look like. So once you're on the home page, you can see on the PayPal balance there is transfer money. So then you'll need to click on it. Once you tap on it, you will have a list of options. So you can see right at the bottom you have an option as add money to your balance. So then click on it. So once you're on this page, you need to enter the source of the money, and after that you also need to enter the amount that you want to add it to your PayPal balance. And once you're done entering it, make sure to go through all of the statement and then tap on add, and then on the last interface you need to review all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on add, which is in the bottom left corner. So that is how you can add money to your PayPal balance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.